This video is for the back of the Swan 117xc power supply. What you're looking at is the connector where the line cord goes in on the 117xc, and this here is the power cord with the built-in fuse. Now, as you can see, there are some people who think that this cord cannot go on in a direction than the way it was designed. But as you can see, it will go in, it will not go in rather, that way. It will go on that way. However, that is the correct way. However, if you are not watching what you're doing, it will go on that way. It will go on that way. It will go on that way. And it will even go on that way. 4 different ways it will go on, and every one of these, as you can see, is incorrect, leaving pins exposed, which I believe is what I did when I plugged in my 117xc or my 700cx and blew it up. This is the correct way it goes, like that. That's the way, correct way. The plug is designed so you can't do this. This way it will not go on. Okay? But this way it will. It will go on in that position. It'll go on in that position. It'll go on in that position. It'll go on in that position. And it'll go on in that position. So as you can see, when you're plugging the cable in, you really should be watching what you're doing.